Hi, my name is Matt Adams, and I'm going to answer one of the more common questions we get here at Abstract, and that is, what does a Git-based workflow look like for designers and design files? In order to answer that question, I'm going to walk you through how a team might use Abstract as a part of a design sprint. Let's jump right in. Here's a quick situation to illustrate how Abstract helps a team collaborate seamlessly and provides visibility into that workflow. The team at STEM Society is working on a mobile app. Laura is the design lead, and she has set up Abstract to protect the master from any changes until she has had a chance to approve them. The team has been making a push to make the app more accessible, and Antonio, the design systems lead, has received user feedback that their submit button is unreadable. He goes ahead and creates a branch for the master design file to test out a new button color. A branch is really just a safe place where Antonio can make changes without actually affecting the master file. He spends his morning updating the font color on both the yellow and gray buttons to black. He then makes a commit and documents some context in the commit. This will leave behind a trail of breadcrumbs for his teammates and his manager about why he made those changes. You can think of a commit as a super save. Abstract is taking a snapshot of your file when you make that commit. That afternoon, Laura spends some time reviewing her team's work. She sees that Antonio has made more updates to the submit button and determines that the updates are accessible, so she approves a merge to master. The new button color is merged into the button's library file master. This library file is a part of their design system, which is shared across all design projects so that any other designs that include the button can be easily updated. Abstract provides the ability to be notified, review the change, and opt to incorporate the changes. While Antonio was working on the button, Darren was simultaneously making another change. Darren branched a workspace from the master design files so that he could work on updating the shop index layout from a list view to a card view. Once he feels comfortable with his changes, Darren makes a commit. While Darren is working on changing the shop index layout to a card view, Mika has gone along and branched a workspace from Darren's branch and is adding new images to each card. Here, Darren can see that there's an update available. The update was from Antonio's changes to the button colors. Darren doesn't have to worry about what has changed while he was working on his branch. All changes will be updated to his file before he merges into master, so that he doesn't have to worry about overwriting anything. Mika adds the approved images and commits her changes. She also updates from Darren's branch, and then merges her branch into Darren's. Finally, Darren merges his branch to master. Jobert, a developer on the team, is able to review the activity, quickly catch up on what has been changed, inspect the file, and copy the design specs for development. Hopefully, this helps paint a picture of the Abstract workflow in action. The team was able to go from this to this. Along the way, there were examples of the collaboration and visibility that Abstract provides teams to help them build and ship great products. Thanks again for your time. I look forward to speaking with you soon.